Oh, it feels good outside. Wait, so you recording right now?
Yeah.
Oh, like right now?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I got so much out. I got so much money. We're heading to the vending machine, and every day I go to the vending machine because I want my Cut soda, and I love Cut soda. So, and Nana, my sister, just got into Cut soda, so we're gonna get two, one for me, one for her. And I have my money right here, Japanese coins, and there's the Los Angeles. That's great. It's right over there. Now, I don't know why, but most of the vending machines I see, there's no Cut soda. I don't know why, because Cut soda is gone. Cut soda is life, okay? So I don't know why they don't have it, because they just have Pokey Sweato, and I don't like Pokey Sweato, so I think they should replace all the Pokey Sweato with Cut soda. So, but it's right here. It's right over there. And this is the only vending machine that's close and actually has Cut soda. So I can't wait, and tomorrow we have to wake up at like 7 a.m. because we have to go so my mom has a friend and we're gonna go meet up with her in the train. We have to ride a train and then at like 8 a.m. It starts at 8 a.m. 8 a.m. Oh, here it is, guys. There's two vending machines. It's right here. So yeah. This one has Cut soda. This one doesn't. So it's Cut soda. So this is a 140. So we're gonna put in 280. So there's a bunch of coins in here. I think too many coins. This guy have to take it. Okay, this is okay. 140. Yeah. I'm still standing. This is a time and unfortunately, this is Cut soda. Don't see it. Oh, that's 120. Oh, I'm dumb. Hold on. I thought it was 100. I'm so dumb. There we go. We can get. Okay, now we gotta get one more.
Nanda.
Because Nana wants one. So. I mostly just have 1 cent now. I only have 1 cent. Oh, wait, please have another 100. No. I think I don't have that. This is a 50. This is gonna take me so long. Okay, guys, I finally found what I needed. So this is 140, right? This is 50 and 50. That's 100 plus 410. That's 140. I'm good at math. I'm just kidding. I suck at math. I'm so sad I'm wasting 100. Nice. Okay, I got two now. One for me. This is mine, and this is Nana's. Well, actually, it doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna switch it up, and I want you to know which one's mine. So, and then I forgot which one's mine. So, yeah. I just wasted so many. I wasted $2.80 though. Yeah. Okay, now my hands smell like coins. Oh, it smells like smoke. Hold your breath. Okay, yeah, we're good. Wait, so is it still recording? Okay, watch this, guys. I have 2 cups of soda, so. Oh. That was so